thinking about thinking, packing as a self-sustaining condition. We live in an action-oriented society. It's been that way since we invented agriculture and developed stable environment in which the tasks to be performed could be defined within. Not much thinking was needed. We have little experience of discussing and managing subjective internal states, although they are as much shared experiences as external objects visible to all. We have a general heuristic that says we should confine our observations to the externally visible, which kicks in to prevent the exploration of subjective phenomena, even before they have had the chance to give results and justify themselves. When things go wrong, then, we seek to clarify action and capture better descriptions of more effective actions. In situations where flexibility is an asset, this leads to reduced aspirations. If things are proceeding according to the actions written on paper, they are deemed to be going well, and the opportunity cost is not considered. Whereas the behavior of people trapped in a lack of understanding can reinforce each other. If one person just doesn't understand what is happening, they look about them and see others apparently knowing what they are doing, feel vulnerable because of a lack of knowledge packets is supposed to be a personal failure, and therefore they bluster. They stick their noses in the air and waffle about due consideration and appropriate action, as if undue consideration and inappropriate action was also on the table, but don't suggest what the appropriate action might be. The thing is, everybody is doing it. So the silent conspiracy to maintain the etiquette of bluster develops. If anyone violates the etiquette, that person will be assailed by inherently unclear objections and other pressures to conform, apparently for the sake of it. These cannot be countered in action-oriented terms, only by reference to casual relationships that only one person is fully cognizant of. Mapping in a packing world can be a painful and a depressing experience, particularly if one does not understand the shattered reality one's packing associates inhabit. In pathological situations, this can lead to an infinite regress, wherein every problem is addressed by attempting to delegate it to someone else, a procedure or a blame allocation mechanism, so that they don't have to take any responsibility on themselves. Remember, we've described the causes of this misery not by waffling about the human condition or our colleagues' moral fibre, but practically out of socially conditioned avoidance of daydreaming.